How to get audiobooks using Google Play Store. If you want to buy any audiobooks using Google Play Store, all you need to do is follow these three simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open Google Play Store on a device. Now here on bottom of your screen you will see different options. So tap on this option, Books. And there you go. Here on top of your screen you will see this option, Audiobooks. So tap on it. And here you will find all the audiobooks, so you can simply scroll down or simply slide to find more audiobooks. If you have some specific audiobooks on your mind, then here on top of it you will see this search box, so tap on it and then search for it. And once you find the book that you want to download, simply tap on the book. You can simply listen to its preview by tapping on this preview option. And if you want to buy it, simply tap on this option, audiobook. And all you need to do is select a payment method. So simply select any preferred payment method and then add card details or payment details. And once you do that, the audiobook will be successfully available for you. So this is how you can get audiobooks on Android devices. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.